Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how businesses manage to pop up in your inbox with tempting offers or super helpful updates? Well, you're about to find out. In this video, we are going to explore the basics of email marketing and demystify its wonders. Email marketing is all about having a direct line of communication with your favorite brands and businesses. It's a clever way for companies to build relationships with their audience and, of course, sell their products or services. Think of it like this: imagine having a special hotline where your go-to brands can share the juiciest content and the most exclusive deals, and keep you in the loop on all the latest happenings. That's email marketing, in a nutshell. From newsletters packed with valuable information to personalized offers tailored just for you, email marketing is all about staying connected and engaged with your audience. If you would like to learn more about how email marketing works and its benefits, keep watching the video. Email marketing has become an incredibly effective tool for both businesses and individuals. Whether you're a business owner looking to increase sales or a consumer who enjoys staying updated with the latest deals, email marketing offers a plethora of amazing possibilities. You'll find yourself hooked on your devices, discovering all the benefits that email marketing has to offer. To learn more about this groundbreaking marketing strategy, be sure to check out the links in our description below for additional resources. So, let's dive right in. The marvels of email marketing. 1. Low cost, high returns. Ever heard the phrase, bang for your buck? Well, email marketing is the epitome of that. Imagine being able to kickstart your marketing efforts without having to fork over a ton of cash. With just a list of email addresses and a simple email service, you can get the ball rolling. And the best part? The return on your investment is through the roof. For every single dollar you spend on email marketing, you could be raking in a whopping $38 in return. That's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket after buying a cup of coffee, pure magic. Email marketing is the ultimate money-saving, profit-boosting superstar in the world of marketing. So, if you're looking to get the most bang for your buck, email marketing is where it's at. You can dip your toes in without breaking the bank, and watch the profits start rolling in. It's a no-brainer. 2. Full control, no guesswork. When you hit that send button on an email campaign, you're the one calling the shots. You get to decide exactly what your emails look like, who's going to receive them, and when they'll land in those precious inboxes. No more playing guessing games with pesky algorithms like on social media. With email marketing, you're the master of your destiny. It's like having your own personal marketing ship, and you're the one steering it straight to success. No more feeling lost at sea, wondering if your message is even reaching the right people. With email marketing, you're in full control, charting the course and watching your campaigns sail smoothly toward your goals. 3. Laser precision targeting. Have you ever felt like someone just gets you? Like they can read your mind and know exactly what you need before you even know it yourself? Well, that's the kind of precision targeting that email marketing brings to the table, and it's about to blow your mind. When you explore the world of email marketing, you're not just shooting in the dark and hoping for the best. Nope, you're hitting bullseyes left and right. Whether you're welcoming new subscribers with open arms or enticing those window shoppers to finally hit that buy button, email marketing gives you the power to tailor your messages with sniper-like accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball that lets you peer into the minds of your audience. You can craft personalized content, irresistible offers, and perfectly timed campaigns that speak directly to their needs and desires. No more guessing games, just pure marketing magic. 4. Easy peasy measurement. When it comes to email marketing, the numbers don't lie. They're your best friends, ready to spill all the secrets to marketing success. From open rates to click-through rates, every single data point is a treasure trove of information, just waiting to be uncovered. And the best part? You can use all that data to fine-tune your email campaigns and make them even more impactful. There's more. By integrating your email marketing with analytics tools like Google Analytics, you'll get a bird's-eye view of your marketing prowess. It's like having a personal data dashboard that gives you all the insights you need to make informed decisions and crush your goals. 5. Scaling made simple. Who doesn't love a good automation? With email marketing, you can set things on autopilot. Imagine being able to welcome new subscribers with open arms, or follow up with customers after a purchase, all without lifting a finger. With just a few clicks, you can set up automated email sequences that work their magic while you sit back, relax, and sip on your favorite beverage. It's like having a team of marketing elves working around the clock to keep your business humming. Welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, birthday wishes, you name it, email marketing automation can handle it. And the best part? You get to be the boss, calling the shots and watching your campaign scale to new heights. 6. ROI Champion. Last but certainly not least, the king of all kings, return on investment, ROI. When it comes to email marketing, this bad boy is the king of all kings. It doesn't just bring home the bacon, it brings home the whole darn farm. Seriously, the ROI rates for email marketing are enough to make your head spin. It's no wonder businesses of all shapes and sizes swear by it. Whether you're a mom-and-pop shop or a corporate giant, email marketing packs a punch that'll have you hooked to your devices, constantly checking those numbers. Imagine being able to pour a little bit of money into your marketing efforts and watch it multiply tenfold. That's the kind of magic email marketing can work. It's like having a money printing machine at your fingertips, churning out profits left and right. So, if you're looking to take your business to new heights and see some serious returns on your investment, email marketing is the way to go. How to get started? Step 1. Choose your email marketing platform. When it comes to selecting the right tool for any task at hand, it's important to consider all available options and choose one that perfectly aligns with your specific requirements. With a vast range of tools and software available, it's crucial to explore the basic as well as advanced features and functionalities to find the one that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Whether you are looking for basic functionality or advanced automation, there is something out there for everyone. Step 2. Build your email list. To ensure a successful party or event, it's essential to have a guest list. The same goes for your email marketing strategy. You need to start building your email list like a pro by gathering email addresses of your potential subscribers. Lead magnets, opt-in forms, and landing pages are the 3 essential tools that can help you achieve this. Your lead magnet should offer something valuable to your audience in exchange for their email address. Opt-in forms should be strategically placed on your website to make it easy for visitors to sign up. Lastly, landing pages can be used to promote your lead magnet and attract potential subscribers to your email list. By providing a compelling reason for people to join your list, you can expect to see a surge in subscribers in no time. Step 3. Segment your list. Are you looking to boost the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns? If so, it's important to recognize that a one-size-fits-all approach simply won't cut it. The key to success lies in segmenting your email list, allowing you to deliver customized content to specific groups of people. By analyzing data such as demographics and past behavior, you can create tailored messages that resonate with your audience on a deeper level. Ultimately, this personalization can lead to increased engagement and better overall outcomes for your email marketing efforts. Step 4. Set a measurable goal. When crafting an email campaign, it's crucial to establish a clear and specific goal that you want to achieve. Whether your objective is to increase the open rates of your emails to boost your sales, it's important to set your sights high and aim for the stars. By doing so, you can create a more focused and effective email marketing strategy that drives real results. Step 5. Pick your target audience. To make sure your email campaign is effective, it's important to know your audience. You can choose to target new subscribers, loyal customers, or even potential re-engagements. By understanding who your audience is, you can create an email masterpiece that speaks directly to their interests and needs, ultimately leading to greater engagement and success. Step 6. Create your email template. Let's unleash our creativity and craft an email that leaves a lasting impression. We should focus on creating an email that not only captures the attention of the readers with its eye-catching designs but also engages their minds with its compelling copy. Let's make sure that the email is a treat for both the eyes and the intellect, leaving a lasting impression on the recipients. Step 7. Schedule your campaign. Selecting the appropriate moment to send out your emails can be a critical factor in their success. Whether you decide to send them out immediately or delay their delivery until a more opportune time, it's crucial to ensure that the timing is perfect. By doing so, you can significantly increase the chances of your emails reaching the right audience and achieving their intended goals. Step 8. Measure and improve. After you have sent out your email marketing campaign, it is important to monitor the metrics closely. Keep track of the open and click-through rates, and make necessary adjustments to your strategy. By fine-tuning your approach and repeating the process, you can achieve great success in email marketing. Wrapping up. We've covered a lot of ground when it comes to the marvels of email marketing. From its humble beginnings to its towering success, this digital marketing superstar continues to reign supreme. It's time to dive in, give it a whirl, and watch your business soar to new heights with every email you send. Just imagine having a direct line of communication with your customers, the ability to laser target your messaging, and the power to scale your efforts with just a few clicks. That's the beauty of email marketing, and it's all yours for the taking. GetResponse is a powerful tool that can work wonders for your business through email marketing. Don't wait any longer and sign up now to experience its benefits firsthand. By crafting well-crafted emails, you can unlock a bright future for your business. If you found this video informative, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to help them grow their businesses too. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting videos to come.